What's the meaning of battery farming? Battery farming. Battery farming.
Battery farming. Battery farming. Battery farming is a method of farming where livestock, such as chickens, are confined to small spaces in large numbers. The animals are typically kept indoors in crowded cages or pens and are given limited space to move around. This technique is often used to increase productivity and reduce costs, but it comes at the expense of animal welfare. The cramped conditions can cause physical and psychological stress, leading to health problems and even death. Battery farming has been widely criticized by animal rights groups and has led to calls for more humane practices in the agricultural industry.